let's talk about the shocker that has now been reported from Greater Noida. Now, another speeding Thar that seems to have hit a bike, and the bike was dragged for over 10 kilometers, and the bike also caught fire on the road. The driver, meanwhile, has fled from the spot. And after what has now been said, that a chase had also happened with the injured rider in this collision. And what has now been said that the car and the driver both have now been taken into custody. So in Greater Noida, as it is now being reported, the Thar there wreaking havoc. And after hitting the bikes, the speeding Thar then dragged the bike for over 10 kilometers. And after this collision, the bike got stuck in the Thar. The bike then caught fire as well while it was being dragged. People there were in a state of panic, but the Thar driver didn't realize or didn't stop. The entire incident seems to have been captured on several CCTVs along the way. And after filling fuel at a petrol pump, the Thar driver, what is being said, that he fled from the spot without paying for the petrol. And petrol pump employees then chased the Thar on their motorcycle, and during this the Thar driver then collided with it, and the motorcyclist was injured also after falling. Now the Thar dragged the motorcycle that was stuck in the car for over 10 kilometers, and the Thar driver then ran away from the spot. However, what is now being said that the apprehension has now happened. He's now been taken into custody. The Thar driver and the car itself have also been taken into custody. So the Thar that has been seized by the police, and the driver has also been identified as a 23-year-old resident coming in from Bulandshahr. And this incident has occurred as a case of a result carrying out a search and rescue operations as well, just because he did not pay for the petrol that he had used to fill his car. Another incident, however, being reported. Back after a short break.